Alright, it's another day, it's another afternoon with more to do, continuing with the same project. These, got bits of steel to be welded. Wait, we forgot something. Welding! Time for some assembly. Right, that's a wrap on this afternoon. Yeah, I learned that like on a film set thing. Anyway, we're done. That's all. I'm going home now. Bye.
Oh yeah, he's learning. He didn't try and take over from us this time.
Yeah, well, we got to hit him with a towel last time.
Yeah. Well, I guess he learned his lesson. Anyway, that's it from us, folks.
Yeah, that's it for now.
Don't forget to go and click the subscribe button, all those things, and thumbs up and all that stuff. And then, yeah, bye.
Cheers.
Bye.
You already said that.